Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any failures and issues with your Indeed Jobs app on the iOS. So first, you want to check if you have the newest version of the Indeed. Right here, and you want to check if you have the update available. If the update is available, you just need to update. That's the most common issue. You just don't have updated app to the newest version, and maybe you have some failures. But if you have the newest version and still got some bugs, any failures, I'm gonna show you two more ways to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, search bar, Indeed, right here, and just set everything on default. Like here, Siri, this is default. Search everything on, that's the default. Language doesn't matter, and there's down there also doesn't matter. So after this, if you set everything default and you still got some problems, the last way is you just reinstalling the app like that. Go here and back to the App Store and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.